na Lady Bomb Pamse, Joro Village ki, Ning Taugi, resident have a house, Yum Magtani. Handak, Kene Bina, from the Laraga, Mai Taki ba Jorogi Kunda, Ngashi, Mapamasida, Akoi Indigenous People Forum Manipur, Aduga Manipur Naga Youth Organization, Aduga Maitegi Intellectuals, Tangkugi Elder Singh, Yauna, Akoi Mapamasida, Akoi Survey, Inquiry, Taubalakbani. And which I coin a liba, a quaggy maningi background say, my Tadoki Base, Joro Village ki, Hetman ki, Chief ki, Magi, Mapam, Resident Magtani, which I'm one of Udre, my Taki Base. Masikanana Tabano, Gadidigi no Hiraga, Maya Merdigi, Kene B. Haiba, Kampuduna Laraga, Masigi, Amjon District Labor, Manipur, the Yauba, Joro Village Sase, Mokoina, my Tadoki Bani. Masi external aggression ni. Aduna ngasi akoy lakpa member mayam na high-level organization mayam sina strongly akoy condemn tawi. Aduna ngasi akoy na thamjaning bedi si foreign gi kaino aggression ni external aggression ni hay bese phajana mayek sengkrabani. Masi da muka controversial leiningai su leite kanamata na masi foreign gi khudi yaw de haibado madugi haibiruno aduga ngangbiruno masi foreign gi khudi yaw bodegi sumaina Pokibani, Aduna external aggression say Aquina strongly condemned away, Aduga state, Lengagna, Atuba Matamda, Masi, Amuka, Shemjan Sajan Biraga, state ki security forces, Matikana Tamlaga, Akoyi border say, Nax and Gadavani, and the Hojik pillar lady say, 92, 93, Aduga 101, Haiba say, Sigi border pillar Manaxida, Kaka Hairiba, Aduga Joro Hairiba say, Si lady Bani, Aduna Ngasi, Aquina. Mapamasida Laraga, Mayamda Quina Kanganing Bedi, external aggression, have Tajadaba Makaido Hujik, you might Tadoki Besina proof Niam, the Yangbu, Aduna Mase, state government, Mikian Chang the Bataradi, Akwe, Gari Haigani, Masida Chang the Bataradi, government na, Mase, Taus Hadana, Sumana Dumcha Tara Levataradi, Mase, Mayamar, the Atopa Lebaka, Jati, the Lebaka se, Manipur se, Pitokrage, Hybra, having the Akwedi Maduda. When I quite condemned to Rockany, so mine I tell them the Tamzage.